Today, we're diving into the world of electric pressure washers to bring you the top 4 models that combine power, convenience, and efficiency for all your cleaning projects. Whether it's your driveway, car, or patio furniture, these machines are here to make cleaning a breeze. All the products featured in this video are bestsellers and highly rated by customers on the biggest online stores. If you want to learn more or snag an exclusive deal, the links to each product are in the description below. Don't forget to share your thoughts or recommendations in the comments. Your opinion matters to us. Now, let's get started. Starting off strong, we have the PowerRite Electric Pressure Washer, a powerhouse with 3,800 PSI and 2.4 GPM for tackling the toughest grime. Its standout feature, a snow foam lance that sprays dense foam directly for superior cleaning. It also includes 4 universal tips, from high-pressure pinpoint jets to low-pressure wide sprays, making it versatile for any surface. Assembly is quick and easy, and it even works without a water tap by pulling water from a container. This model is perfect for anyone with heavy-duty cleaning needs, from patios to cars. Next up is the customer favorite Sunjo SPX 3000. With 20-30 PSI and a 1.2 GPM flow rate, it's ideal for a wide range of tasks. Its dual detergent tanks let you switch between cleaning solutions effortlessly. This washer features a durable stainless steel lance and 5 quick connect nozzles for precision and performance. Its total stop system also prolongs pump life by shutting off when the trigger isn't engaged. It's a fantastic choice for medium-duty cleaning, offering great versatility and durability. For those looking for raw power, meet the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer, boasting 4,200 PSI and 2.5 GPM. It's perfect for heavy-duty cleaning on cars, fences, and driveways. This model features 4 metal nozzles for different pressure levels, plus a foam cannon for effective dirt removal. Its anti-tipping design and long hose and power cord ensure stable and easy operation. Ideal for homeowners needing robust performance for frequent cleaning tasks. Moving on, we have the Westinghouse WPX3000E, offering 3,000 PSI and 1.76 GPM. Its induction motor ensures consistent, maintenance-free performance. The 5 quick connect nozzles, onboard soap tank, and durable steel frame make it a reliable workhorse. With never flat wheels and a 35-foot power cord, it's incredibly portable. This model is perfect for those who want a solid all-rounder for various surfaces. And there you have it, our top 4 electric pressure washers to make your cleaning routine faster and easier. Each model is carefully selected based on performance, features, and customer reviews from top online stores. If you'd like to learn more about any of these models or grab an exclusive deal, check out the links in the description below. Found a different favorite? Have questions or suggestions? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!